what's up, everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. I have a short one for you today. It's a 21 F150. It's a sport. It's a 4x4. It's a killer truck. We installed the Whipple Supercharger. This is going to be a cool video. We're going to watch a dyno pull. And hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. This baby is going to lay down over 600 roll horsepower. Before we watch the dyno pull, let's check out the engine compartment. I have Doug with me. Let's go. Okay, before we watch the dyno pull, I do want to show you the engine compartment. It's a Gen 5 Whipple. Doug, come down here and take a look. It's the Stage 2 kit. So you get the big 132 throttle body, nice air induction system. Of course, it comes with upgraded injectors. We also installed a set of stainless works long tube headers. We made some custom dual exhaust. Besides that, the truck's stock, 93 octane and a custom tune. Check out this dyno pull. All right, DynoJet SAE. Doug, come over and take a look. 637 roll horsepower, peaking at 7,100 RPM. Torque came in at killer 512, peaking at 5,500. Let's take a look at the graph. That came out awesome. The knock sensors were loving it. Loading the timing in. Truck makes killer power. I love the way it looks. You know, if you wonder what it costs to get something like, you know, this installed, simply email quote@brenspeed.com. Check that description and read more links about this kit right here. Some awesome fuel, 20-inch wheels. This is a sick setup. Let's look inside this truck. I would totally drive this thing every single day. Cloth interior, auto on the floor. Look at the massive screen right here. This thing is awesome. So hey, if you have any questions about this, or maybe your Mustang or other vehicle, leave a comment. Happy to answer. Subscribe, notify. Thanks for watching.